Hi, this is Shannon from Just Living Designs, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to pick up your stitches along a garter edge. This project that I'm working on right now is the Coziest Memory blanket by Kemper Ray. I have altered the pattern for gauge and or stitch count, but it is a free pattern that you can use. I also use this technique in my designs for my Trusty top-down socks and my Trusty DK socks, because those socks have a heel flap and gusset that has a garter stitch edge. And so when you're picking up along the edge of the heel flap, you're picking up in garter bumps as well. So first I'm going to show you the way that I first learned how to pick up stitches. Well, I'm not going to show you how to, but I'm going to show you the result of it compared to the result of the way that I'm going to demonstrate today. So this blanket here has the original way that I learned how to pick up, where you go between the purl bumps along the edges to pick up the stitches. And when you do that, it creates this ridge on the wrong side of your fabric. Now, it might not bother some people. I didn't like it on the inside of socks personally, because it is a bit of a raised edge that you can feel on the inside of a sock. So I didn't like it there, so that's where I kind of came across this other technique on how to pick up the stitches to make it more comfortable to wear. I also like the look of it better because compared to the right side and the wrong side, you can really see a difference. And I like the look of the other way that I've picked up, so you don't have this very definite line of raised pickup seam. So on this other blanket, I have done this other way of picking up. So you can see the stitches are all nice and picked up. This is the right side right now. And then the wrong side, I have woven in my ends. I just haven't snipped them yet. So you can still see some ends here. But on the wrong side, you can see where there isn't that raised bump of the seam along any of these pickup edges. There is, it almost looks like how garter stitch looks when you're changing colors. So there's a purl bump of one color on the bottom and the other color on the top, and it kind of alternates back and forth. That's what happens when you change colors in garter stitch on the wrong side anyway. So just kind of looks like that. And it makes it look a lot more finished and not quite, I mean, it's obvious that this is the wrong side because you have those two color seams, but it doesn't look as obvious as the other blanket, I don't think. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pick up those stitches to eliminate that raised edge. Oops. All right. So again, this is a mitered square blanket. So everything is, you just knit one color in a square at a time. You pick up the stitches when you first start knitting. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Get my needle out and my yarn. All right, so first, the original way I picked up, like I said, it was in that first blanket I showed you, it was between the garter bumps. So you would come between the garter bumps and pick up, between the garter bumps and pick up, and that's how you would do it. And doing that kind of created that garter bumpy edge on the inside of the blanket. It looks great on the outside, but not on the inside. So this one, I'm picking up through the garter bumps. So I'm going to come through this, and you just kind of want to keep it in line as you're going down. So these are kind of the edges I'm going to be picking up. You do it one stitch at a time, you pick up and then you knit. Get my end, and again, this blanket I'm using fingering held double. All right, so I have my first stitch picked up on my right hand needle from top to bottom, adding in my yarn, and I like to use my extra needle to kind of help me knit that onto it. So I'll just come in from in front of that right hand needle, my left needle in front of the right, so it kind of looks like I'm knitting, and pull that stitch through. Then I'm going to go down to the next garter bump, insert my needle, pull it through, and again the next one, and I'm just trying to keep it even all the way down, so I'm picking up this along the same line of the garter bumps, if that makes sense. Next one, and I'm just going, you know, through the bump from right to left, insert my left needle into the front, wrap my yarn, and pull it through. And I'm going to continue that all the way along this side. Or you can do this, like I said, for this blanket pattern or any other, for those socks that I talked to you about, my Trusty top-down sock patterns. Any other pattern that you're working on that you're picking up stitches in garter stitch, if it's a shawl or a sweater or anything like that, this is a great technique because it makes a good visual line on both the right and wrong side and without that raised edge. It's nice and smooth, has the same feel as the rest of the blanket without that edging. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you use it on your next garter stitch project. Happy knitting!